Bee farm. See the top. Some of the bees are moving at the top. Actually, they are. Bro. Oh! I found it! Oh, is this? I was checking where you point. Is that one? Well, yes, I can see the eyes and the fur.
Is it very close?
Yes. The ant is carrying the bee.
That's right. And let's go see the...
Now come here. Look, feed the bees.
Oh, feed the bees. Later you're going to feed this picture, okay?
Where is it going? Wow, so many bees.
Do you like it here? Your friends are here.
Why are they following me? What about my hands? What about my hands?
Okay. Careful na. Sige mo na. Give mo na. Give mo na kaya. Give mo na ano. Buka mo na. Ilagay mo dyan. Sige, give na lang Ella. Bigyan mo sa yan. Tingnan na lang ang white kuya. Pwede po hingi ko. Pwede po hingi ko.
Mama. I fell one to the river. Huh? Wow, that's a butterfly.
Yeah. And then, let me see.
Oh no, you're so
Is it nice? Let me see. I cannot see your name. Nice. Is it pretty?
You don't like it?
You try.
The bee's tasting it.
That's right.
This is tasting it.
How does it taste like?
Yucky.
What?
You don't try. It's a US clover, honey. Is it sweeter?
Kayo ma'am, kung gusto nyo po.
Aww, he's so cute.
Orange clover na.
Egg hunt.
Here's the queen.
Ah, it's big.
Mahaba siya mga konti. Ayan.
It's
So
bigger.
yung nagbili ng egg. Mga hole na yan.
It's longer.
So ito queen.
So we were looking for that there,
You
right?
see the difference?
The biggest
The tail is longer. Oh.
Yes. Biggest one. Ayan na.
Hmm.
Ayan na. Ayan na.
Hmm.
Hop, umikot. Hop. Nahiya. Siya na siya. Oh, ayan na. Ayan na. Bumalik.
There, that one. They're moving so
Oh,
fast.
ayan na.
Oh, not scary.
Mag-properly
You
lang dito.
hold two sides.
Here.
Two sides, yeah. Okay. Take picture.
Sa camera.
Mhm.
Wow, galing ah.
Look at the teeth.
Don't shake.
Other side.
Ayan na.
Okay. Say thank.
Here. The white one.
Oh, let's see.
Tiny.
You see it?
Here. Yan, the white one. Tapos, ito naman yan.
Oh.
Yung white na yan, na medyo big na, larva yan. Tapos ito, pupa. So, egg. Then, after 3 days, we're going to larva. Then, after 1 week, we're going to pupa. Then, after 2 weeks, mag-hatch siya. Adult din na siya.
Full kuya.